health is your wealth. Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to share with you my simple and easy meal prep for the busy week ahead. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. I love spending time in the kitchen, especially on a Sunday, to prep the food for the week. Without talking, let's start cooking. I am starting with breakfast. I am making blueberry smoothie. I'm adding 1 cup of spinach in each cup, banana, frozen bananas, blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidant, low in sugar, high in fiber. It's a great food in general. It has a lot of great benefits for the body. And I'm also adding 1 scoop of organ protein powder. This protein powder tastes amazing. I love using it whenever I'm making smoothie. 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber, which can help with digestion, regulate blood sugar. And I'm also adding 1 cup of oat milk. Breakfast is ready. I'm going to put the lid on and put them in the fridge. So I'm going to have this smoothie with whole wheat bread. I have everything ready, so tomorrow morning I can just grab them and get out of the door. For lunch, I am making a classic salad. I mix a regular lettuce with cabbage and radish. For protein, I add chickpeas in each bowl, and I'm also adding beets, which are high in fiber, water, and also protein. And I'm also adding a side of tomatoes, onion, and carrot, eggs for extra protein, and the ranch sauce. The recipe will be in the description box. For snacks, I'm going to have bananas and mangoes. We are in mango season. I am happy. Mangoes are my favorite fruits. And for dinner, I will have yogurt parfait bowl. For my second type of breakfast, I am going to bake some oats. I add milk, cinnamon, brown sugar, and then I add my oats. I am not using any eggs in this recipe. For my toppings, I add bananas and some chocolate chip. This week, I am focusing on fiber, eating fiber and foods first thing in the morning. It is very important for my digestion and for my whole body in general. I serve it with mangoes and yogurt. Since we are in mango season, I like to take advantage by consuming a lot of mangoes, which contains vitamins and fiber. Breakfast is ready. It's simple, easy, and required minimal ingredients and minimal effort. For my second type of dinner, I am going to make Tuscan chicken with veggies and rice on the side. First, I'm cutting some veggies, zucchinis in small pieces, potatoes. To season my veggies, I'm using olive oil and also all-purpose seasoning. It's a mixture of oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and also salt, a little bit of salt. Purple sweet potatoes, also known as purple yams, are rich in antioxidant, vitamin A and vitamin C. So do not sleep on purple sweet potatoes. And also they contain fiber. They are a great source of fiber, which can improve digestion, relieve constipation, and protect the digestive system in general. I mix everything together and bake them for 15 minutes. While the veggies are in the oven, I'm going to cook the rice. To season the chicken, I am using all-purpose seasoning. It, like I said before, it's a mixture of all the seasoning I have in the cabinet, and I'm also adding some olive oil to coat everything together. For the sauce, I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan, sun-dried tomatoes, regular onion, green onion. Let it simmer until they get translucent. After, I add half cup of heavy cream and half cup of water, and I also add some Parmesan cheese and add salt if needed. I really like the taste of it, and this meal is a boom.com. I will definitely make this again. It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing in the camera, but the taste, oh. Now I am going to assemble everything in 3 containers. I'm going to add 1 cup of rice in each, a side of veggies, and of course the Tuscan chicken sauce. Everything is ready. I am happy with the end result. It tastes delicious when I mix everything together. The sweet potato, oh, it's amazing. I am happy. I am all set for the week. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I have snacks on the side. So everything were easy to find, simple and easy. I hope you find great value from today's video. It inspires you to get up to prep your food for the busy week ahead. By doing so, you save money, trip back and forth to the fast food restaurant, and you know exactly what goes into your food. Your health is your wealth. Take care of yourself. It's a type of self-care. It's not only go to the nail salon or go to the hair salon to to do physical stuff, but when you spend time in the kitchen to prep your food, it's a type of self-care. Yes, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.